Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Dodge Caravan. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to begin the process. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings menu to activate Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, turn your attention to the Uconnect touchscreen in your Caravan. You will need to locate and press the phone button to initiate the connection sequence. This is the crucial first step to getting your device paired. Now that you've initiated the process, the Uconnect system will guide you. On the screen, select either Add Device or Pair a Phone to proceed. The system will then display a unique 4-digit PIN. Remember this number as you will need it shortly. Next, look at your mobile device. In its Bluetooth settings, you should see Uconnect appear in the list of available devices. Select it to begin the pairing. To finalize the connection, enter the 4-digit PIN that was displayed on your Uconnect screen directly into your mobile device when prompted. After entering the PIN, you will need to confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the vehicle's touchscreen. The system will then ask you to assign a name to your device and set a priority level, typically from 1 to 7, with 1 being the highest. This helps manage multiple paired phones. Once connected, you may be prompted to allow access for contacts and messages. Accept this for full hands-free functionality. You can now use voice commands or the touchscreen to make calls and stream audio. If you encounter any issues, such as a dropped connection or difficulty pairing, a simple restart of both your mobile phone and the Uconnect system can often resolve the problem. Enjoy your hands-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.